today I'm going to review my fishes. So we have, I can't remember the name, but that's okay. Don't have the name on the bottom. I'm dropping it. So this one is the dangerous one. Shark to all the red spines. This one is the bad one actually. So I'm going to scoop it up with my net. Like that. Oh, I didn't get it. Like that. Okay. Too loud. This one is a fin whale. So it's not dangerous. It's actually real. So, see the mouth on it again. This one is color white. It says sperm whale. And my daddy has a little bit water on him. And it's blue color. Black. A little bit blue on here. Let's see. Now, see the eyes. A little bit white on the eyes. A little bit black. And next one. Next one. Let's go and see. What's this? You're my best friend. So this one is a whale shark. His name is Destiny. He's very nice as a shark. I actually got a blue spot on him. See, very close. So blue spot. See the spot, and stripes. He's a color blue. He's a color blue, and on the bottom of him is gray. So he's a nice shark. I'm gonna put him in the water. Put him on the boat like this. He's gonna be the pilot. Which one next? Blue whale. What? I got 3 of them. Look at one of them. Oh, this one's starfish. Oh, I will. Yes, I got it. This little dog, buggy. You need to get it out. Teacher, can you help this? Get it out. Get it out. Okay. Move it. This that one. Blue whale. So this one is a blue whale. And see the mouth. Actually, the water is spilling in a bit. Let me show you. We'll shake it. Here, the water side. Pour the water out. I don't think this is the perfect one, but I'll show you. There's a little hole here. Teacher, can you fix this? Let me splash. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Need to shake it up. Actually, I can't pour it out. So this is a blue whale. See little spots. Actually, blue spots. Dark blue. On the bottom is gray, blue, and a little bit dark blue. This is dark blue actually. And see, it's opening its mouth. See the detail inside the mouth. It's color white a little bit, black a little bit. See mouth inside of it. Get closer. Are you scared? Don't be scared. He's friendly. Get close. See his tongue sticking out. See his tongue. This is a little bit of pink. And her teeth the teeth is not sharp enough, but it's actually so long, and I can see the striping there, a little bit black. I don't know why it's a little bit black, but it's white. I'm gonna go on the boat. Now, on here, put him on the boat. Now which one? Oh, wait, wait! turtle. So this is the sea turtle. Gonna keep him in the net. Look at the sea turtle. See the sea turtle? He has her shell here. Look at his flipper. Actually, I'm gonna clip him. Okay? Clip him. I have a sniper here. Clip him. Okay, he's 25 pounds. He's 25 pounds. 25 pounds. And I think I'm gonna name this one Richie, okay? Put Richie on the boat. Richie. My net. I'm gonna close it. Oh, starfish! I didn't catch it. Let me show you the egg first, okay? Let me show you the egg first. Let me catch the egg. See the egg here? See the egg? The egg is kind of a little bit yellow. So, that's the egg. I'll leave you that for you. Some safety. Teacher, the lobster is swimming. He's not watching me right now, okay? The spare whale. Scoop! He's not watching, okay? Shh, teacher, shh. Ah! I got him. Here we go, you guys. Look. Wow! This is, I don't know what this kind of color is because the color is moving right now. So this is cold water. He's gonna be angry to me. Oh, trying to pinch me there. Oh, his tail! His tail is wiggling. So put him back in the water. He's not nice. Oh, he's gonna pinch me. That was close one. So this one is a gray whale. See, a gray whale. And this gray whale is pretty nice. So his color gray. Yeah, his color white. A little bit of pink on top. I don't know why it is pink. The bottom is white actually. I don't know what this number is. So white, black. I'm gonna put him on a boat. Because he's nice. Let's see. Which one is ready? Come here, little pilot wheel. I got a pilot wheel. So this one is a pilot wheel, and he's pretty nice. Clap him up there. See, he's so cute. Teacher, can you pet him? He's lonely. He's just a baby. Pet him like this, okay? Pet him. Do it. Okay. So his color white on the bottom, his color gray, a little bit black there. You see? Pilot whale on the bottom, a little bit pink spots. Put him on the boat, so he's nice. I got him. Well, I don't think that's a perfect creature. Let's see. Let's tap the swordfish. Ah! Catch it! Catch it! I catch it too! See the egg? I already catch an egg. Ooh, I broke it a little bit. See the swordfish. I think that's too. I'm just kidding. Catch a seal. I'm just kidding. I'm not dancing. I can't let you babysitter alone. Oh, I follow him. He's gone mad. Now I'm gonna show you these two. This is a baby sea turtle. See the red eyes? I don't think he's angry, but red eyes, like brownish, like greenish, dark green. I don't know. The white bottom. So he's actually nice. Now I need to snap him because he's a turtle. Every turtle I need to snap because they are old. Okay? See that little line? We're gonna snap the little line here. Now, snap. This one is 43 pounds. And I'm gonna name this one Rudy, okay? Put him on the ship because he's nice. Where's my net? Okay, there's my net. What's another one? What? Oh, Richie, help me! Dragoness. He's the best. Dragoness is the best. Love my net. Starfish! I got to see his. I forgot to show you this one. Got an egg. Got an egg. I think he's hungry actually. So let's give him. See the gloppy shark right there. He's a little black on her eye. Gray or silver, I don't know. I think it's silver. And a little bit blue detail, like teal color, and white color. Gulping shark, 11, and let's let her eat. Yum yum. He's the nicest one. So let's put him on here. Now, let's catch another one. Dragon's is little egg. Oh, my little precious. That is my name. I think it's hot water inside. The baby dragon must to hatch. Let's shake it up. Yeah, it's actually hot water. Pour it out there. I think dragon is this, right? Yes, I'm a girl. When you're hatchling. Oh no, you're hatchling! Give it back. That's dragon. Okay, my net. Where's my net? Here, there. Let's see. Ah! That's starfish. Starfish. No, I didn't catch a starfish. It's right here. Oh, I caught it. I caught the starfish. I can't believe I caught the starfish. See? It's so good that I catch a starfish. See? He's white and gray or silver. I think I should call it gray. So he's a nice one. See, he's like a star. So that's the starfish. See that? Starfish. Starfish. Shh. A little bit. Shh. He's actually like a star shape. So he's very nice. He's a starfish. I don't know what that color is. Let's see. Oh, it's pink. Pinkness. Rhineless. Pinkless. I'm just kidding. So he's very nice. Let's see. Can you get a medical for me? Teacher, can you band me up? Can you get the medical kit to me? Pull my neck like this first. Teacher, Can you fix my leg up? Okay. Teacher, can you fix my leg up over here? Fix it up. Fix my leg. I need to cover this up. Teacher, fix my leg. I'm hurt on here. Teacher, fix it. Fix my leg. I'm gonna need a minute. No, not that spot. Here. Here. Thank you. Put it out. Do like this first. Now I'm better. Wait. Yes, I got the hammerhead shark. That's not a good creature. The hammerhead shark is after me. The hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark. Oh, Starfish is coming to battle. Ah! The Starfish win. Yes, the Starfish a record. Looking up. What's the Starfish? What's the... You're a record. I need to give you a record. If I see everything great, I lost him. I lost him. I lost him. Come on. Oh, I got him. Hey, 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 come back. So I wrap him. See, I gotta lock him every time. Dragons is that your egg? That's a big egg. I'm wrong.